Welcome to GQUAT Traditions, Desert Edition. My sister Joanne Stevens and I will be growing a summer garden, and this time we are planting potatoes. We've already gone through the seeds this summer. It's really hot here, 100 degrees and over every day. So we decided to plant potatoes in straw. I live in Connecticut. She lives in Arizona, and she will take care of the garden when I am gone. I'm resting in the chair while she's doing the heavy lifting. We found this one at a thrift store while we were shopping. Mr. Hershey and Angel help us. We have to tie him because he's blind and don't want him to fall in the pool. Okay, these are golden potatoes. We planted them in layers, horticulture style, but first we took a soldering iron, put lots of holes in the plastic, stinky, melting in the summertime, and this is the special straw that we will be using. It's a special weed-free straw that sticks together. Horticulture, we put the sticks in the bottom of the grow tote. That after we put the holes in, layered the potatoes, put a little bit of good soil in there. Did I say these are golden potatoes? So they're all covered up with the straw. Hopefully they will grow. Thanks for watching Garden Quilt and Art Show. Actually, Traditions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.